An affordable Dior bag. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's Posh. Welcome back, and today I have an unboxing for you. This is an affordable Dior bag that I've been interested in, and I really like this new print that they came out with. I just decided to check it out. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember, hit subscribe below, ring the bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have a fun, good, old-fashioned unboxing. This is a bag that I have been intrigued about because technically it's not a bag. This is supposed to be a pouch. I don't really know the difference, to be honest. Pouch, bag, vanity. It's supposed to be for travel. However, it looks like a handbag to me. Let's open it and see how it looks. I really like this print. It's a new print that they came out with, and I just noticed some Dior bags are crazy expensive, but then if it's a pouch or something like that, it's not as expensive, even though it's like similar size to like one of their mini Lady Dior bags. So I just don't understand the bag science with this. Why, if you call something a pouch, even though it looks like a bag, it's not worth as much. But if you call something a handbag, it's worth so much more. Can someone tell me what the handbag science math is? Because I don't get it. It must be the old age. This is my first time ordering a brand new bag from Dior. All my Dior bags have been secondhand because they're crazy. The prices they want for these things, they be crazy, but this came in a day. I did not pay for rush shipping. I literally ordered it 2 days ago. It came next day, maybe because it's coming out of New York, and I waited because I wasn't able to film. I know I wanted to see it, but I waited till I can film and actually make a proper unboxing for you because, you know, I spoil you. All right, let's go. I was using my scissors and then I noticed it has one of these, but it broke. Luxury, am I right? Like, you get excited and then something breaks. Wait. Yay, I didn't even have to use scissors. Right? That's what you're paying for. Here it is. It's in a nice Dior box. Here is my travel pouch accessory. Ooh, look at that opening. We've got our cards. We got fun packaging. And this bag pouch cost me $1,480. Still expensive, but in comparison to the $4,000 plus bag, this is a steal. And it's in a dust bag. So far, this is still not feeling like a pouch. And here it is. Guys, this is the Dior Nomad pouch. And what is the color? This is called, they just call it 45E Rose Multicolor. I forget what this actual print is called, but this is almost like a vinyl. So I'm starting to understand now why this is a little bit cheaper than the other ones, because the other prints are actually like embroidered. So when you see Dior book tote, it is an embroidering of the prints, where this is like a vinyl kind of thing. But it actually, I kind of like that because it's going to be more durable. I don't have to worry about things as much with it. So I'm not hating on that, but now I'm starting to understand, but not really the bag science, but a little bit of the science. I'm not gonna take all the tags off yet, but I want to like see the rest of it, because what I noticed about this bag when I was doing like a little bit of web sleuthing is the fact that it has these little D-rings on the side, so you can attach a strap to it, and it looks like it can be top handle, crook of the arm, and then you can attach your own strap. Let's try and take the rest off. Isn't this pink with the gray like absolutely beautiful? So this is a champagne gold color. Let's see if this adjusts at all to make it longer. It looks like there's a little bit of an adjusting here. There is like this cute little tag thing that you can open up so you can easily attach this to like your Dior book tote or a travel bag if you wanted this to be more like an accessory for your beauty products. But I mean, seriously, $1,400 is so expensive for like a vanity. Okay, let's try. Just don't want to get the tags caught. Let's unzip it. We have our card here for authenticity, and it is like a nice wipeable lining that's in there. Again, this is supposed to be for your accessories. And then here's a close-up of the outside of the bag. I absolutely love this print. I think it's so beautiful. The gray and the pink together. And I think it's coming out more like a nude with the lighting, but it's really like a beautiful pale pink. Now I will note this card that comes with it is like cardboard, super flimsy. This is supposed to be like, hey, this is your authenticity card. Like they just like popped this out of freaking like cardboard. They were probably all in a list of cardboard. They just popped it out. Like we can't spring the fancy plastic cards anymore. What is going on? And they're probably gonna say, oh, this is so that we're more environmentally friendly. But I think this is bullshit. This is bullshit. But let's continue looking. All right, let's see if this is adjustable. Can I make this strap longer? Looks like this can pull through right here. We can make this bag strap longer. Makes it so that made it even longer like this. This slides just like regular bag. And then this part is leather. It does have a nice structure to it. Like I know when you put stuff in, I feel like it'll have a good structure. And I like that this comes off like this because it's no longer stuffed. I like that it comes off so that way it's easier to get your stuff in and out of, like, and I like that you can attach it to other things. So this will make it a really great travel bag. So let's try it on, and then I want to try a strap with it. There, that is, that looks pretty cute. Now, I think you could make it a shoulder bag if you adjust the strap maybe to the longest setting. However, it's going to make it really high on the armpit, so I don't think that's going to be for me. And let's attach a strap, because again, there are these D-rings right here. And the strap that I picked to attach to it is this one that I have from a Strathberry bag, and I never use this strap. It is with this Strathberry bag that I have right here. I just always wear it with like the thicker strap. So I thought, hey, there's an extra chain here that I'm not using. So there is crossbody. And again, you could put like any strap with it. I'm just thinking about what I was considering putting with it. And then this, so this kind of lays flat so you don't have that jetting out, but you can also adjust this. It doesn't come off, but you can adjust it and make it tighter. But I think, oh, that's pretty cute. Yeah, I like it as a shoulder bag. Let's see it like dangling like that. Okay, that's super cute. Here's the close-up, guys, of this. And as you can see, I'll make a little ASMR for you. It is not the embroidered. So here is my Dior book tote. And normally with the more expensive bags that are thousands and like thousands more than this bag have the embroidering with it. And this one does not. It is just the print on a vinyl, which, I mean, but it still looks very pretty and dimensional. I don't really feel like it, if it had that on there, but I understand this is supposed to be like a more durable bag, and I feel like it is going to be more durable. And I always admire their prints that they have, like these absolutely beautiful prints. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try it, because as you guys know, I do rent my bags out. I thought, okay, this could be a bag I could rent out, make money off of, and use as well. And I already have people, because I did post it before I got it in to see if anyone would be interested in the bag, and I already have some interest in rentals for this beauty right here. Now, this is more of a shoulder bag, but here is my Prada next to this bag, and they are very similar. Obviously, this one is a little bit bigger in height, but this one's thicker. They're very similar, and this one comes, like this version here comes in the nylon. So this actually has a nylon version of this bag, is similar. I think it's similar in price to this one. And if you get it with the strap and all that stuff, it is more expensive, but I think if you're looking for like a nylon bag, if you are looking for something that is more durable, but also chic and pretty, like I say, go for this bag. They come in the really pretty colors. They also have it in the Trotter print, which is this print here, but I saw it in the blue. They also have these in the leather version, and those are right around 2,000 or 2,200, but maybe you can find them the secondhand market to the all leather version, and they have the really pretty quilting that is like comes in all the Lady Dior bags. So guys, I am pretty impressed with it. Like, this is a bag. I think it's funny that you just label something as a pouch or you just label something as a vanity, but I do think this is absolutely gorgeous. It is going to be durable. I'm definitely going to test it out because I'm planning on keeping this. I feel like I'm going to be able to rent this bag out, make some coin on it, but also look like super cute. And I think I might take this on a vacation, go on vacation in a few weeks. And I think this is perfect. It's gorgeous, beautiful summer, spring bag. The price point, still crazy expensive. However, it's definitely more understandable for a brand new Dior bag. And even the leather version of this is right around $2,000, which is still a really good deal because most Dior leather bags are right around $3,000. And everything's good. Like, this part here is a nice heavier metal. It feels good, as you saw it kind of like after a while kind of plopped down. So it is a nice metal. The zipper seems great. I just don't want to get the tags attached because I just want to put my things in it. I want to carry it a little bit, just examine it thoroughly to make sure everything is okay before I cut all the tags. But yeah, guys, I think this is cute. What do you guys think? Okay guys, that is everything. Let me know what you think of this bag. Is this something you've been interested in? I've seen some videos on it, but not really a lot when I was researching it. So it's another reason why I was like, I gotta make a video to show people. I can definitely, you know, give you a review as long as nothing is wrong with this. I've not seen anything wrong with it. Like, look at this part right here. So beautiful, the art on here. And the stitching is gorgeous, but as long as, I mean, it looks good, I'm gonna be keeping this and I can give you an updated review later. And as always, I wanna thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.